Hi, my name is Cecile Riker, and I'm the Program Education Specialist for the Athens-Clarke County Stormwater Management Program, and you're watching Snapshot 6. This video will take a look at some of the efforts of the unified government of Athens-Clarke County over the past month, including Rivers Alive, a community-wide volunteer effort to clean up our streams and rivers.
On October 20th, staff from Keep Athens-Clarke County Beautiful, Stormwater Management, the Leisure Services Department, the Water Conservation Office, and community partner organizations participated in the 2018 Rivers Alive event. The event was extremely successful, with over 250 dedicated citizens contributing nearly 800 hours of volunteer service to our community at 17 different sites around Athens. Volunteers collected more than 3 tons of garbage, over 70,000 pounds of metal, and 164 tires. On October 18th, the Lyndon House Arts Center hosted the Harvest Festival with more than 600 children in attendance. 12 schools from 5 different counties were at the event, which is held every other year. During the event, the Lyndon House and its grounds were transformed into a living history farm and cultural heritage site, celebrating the legacy of the historic Ware Lyndon House Museum. This event pays homage not only to traditional crafts of the 19th and 20th centuries, but also to the contemporary makers movement as well. Through live demonstrations and hands-on activities, the stories of how things are created are told, from concept and raw materials to the finished products. In total, there were 118 artists that demonstrated their art or craft. Throughout the fall, the Athens-Clarke County Police Department has hosted several community cookouts in neighborhoods as a way to foster interaction between officers and residents and to share information about ACC Gov services. On October 24th, in conjunction with several other ACC Gov agencies, the Police Department hosted its final 2018 community cookout held at the Pinewood Estates Mobile Home Park. The turnout at this location exceeded all the previous cookouts, and officers, command staff, and other ACC Gov employees enjoyed interacting with the residents. The Leisure Services Department's park planning staff worked with the Thomas Miller chapter of the National Colonial Dames 17th Century Society to install a historical marker at Memorial Park. The marker recognizes the site as the former location of the Fairhaven Tuberculosis Sanitarium. The 30-bed building was opened in 1926 and operated until the late 1930s. It remained closed until it was reopened in 1945 as the Memorial Park Clubhouse. The fiscal year 18 bridge maintenance project is part of the SPLOST 2011 program with a budget of just over $200,000. Phase 1 of this project includes the structural repair and maintenance of 6 bridges as recommended by a biannual inspection conducted by the Georgia Department of Transportation. Repair work has been completed on the Fowler Road Bridge, the Cleveland Road Bridge, and the East Broad Street Bridge. The contractor is currently working on the North Avenue Bridge over the North Oconee River and the Macon Highway Bridge over the Middle Oconee River. Consultants are identifying additional repairs needed on 15 other bridges. Hal McKinnon, the Athens-Clarke County 800 MHz coordinator, recently responded to Dougherty County and Seminole County for 5 days to assist with the immediate after-effects of Hurricane Matthew. McKinnon drove the ACC Gov mobile communications vehicle to Dougherty County and assisted with outside response coordination as the communications unit leader. He then deployed to the Seminole County Emergency Operations Center, where he assisted with coordinating radios from the Federal Emergency Management Agency and the Georgia Emergency Management Agency, programming radios, setting up communications paths, coordinating a large tower asset from Alabama, and other critical assistance with setting up communications between agencies.
Thanks for watching Snapshot 6. See you again next month.